Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and we are going to actually make a keychain using the Let's Resin Color UV Resin Starter Kit for keychains. So I have all these different colors, and I've put some nozzles on all the colors I'm going to use, except for one because I wanted to show you how to do these. So I'm going to move all of these here, and I am going to do the heart like I had mentioned in the previous video. But we're gonna get that resin, and you can see it has some foil there. So I'm just gonna take this little guy here, and I'm just gonna kind of open it like that halfway, and any resin that may have gotten on your knife blade, just wipe that off, and then I'm just gonna peel that off. And we're going to take this guy and we're going to stick that on there. Now, I don't know if you have to shake these. I do know they are colored already, but I would probably roll them a little bit rather than shake them because you don't want to create air bubbles. So this is brand new to me, and while these are rolling, I'm going to get out some of that tape, and then I have the heart bezel here. So we're going to open up. Course, it's going to be the hardest part, right? Where does the tape start? It should start right here. You'd think it would. It doesn't. It's right here. So we're going to take a piece of this, and we don't need that much. So I'm actually only going to cut to this piece and make it the way it's supposed to be. So there we go. So we're going to take this piece here, and we'll put this right on there. And it is nice and flat. I am going to take some washi tape here. And put that down. Down there. That way at least it's nice and okay. So next we're going to do a flame heart. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some red, and you don't twist, you just pull the top off, and we're going to put some red at the bottom of our heart. And then I'm going to put some orange next. I'm going to put some yellow. You just make a rainbow heart, I guess. And I'm going to put some black. Ooh, you don't want to do that. Remember I said don't twist it? That's why. Okay, there we go. I guess you do twist it a little bit. So we're going to put some black up here. And I do have some white that I will put a little bit of the white here, a little bit here, and a little bit there. And then I'm going to take my silicone. First, I'm going to try and pop these bubbles. If it doesn't pop, you can always just take your heat tool, and that will get rid of some of those bubbles. And it does move it around a little bit, and that's okay. That is quite all right. So now I'm going to take that silicone again, and I'm going to create those flames just by going up like this. And you just keep going up. And you can see those flames starting to come up. Just bring that color up. That is so cool. And you're just coloring in those flames just like that until you get it where you want. And oh my gosh, I'm loving this. I think that I am going to be done. I think I'm gonna pull this one a little bit like this and this one like that, because flames love to dance. And I think I'm gonna be done. I'm gonna get that off of there, and then now I'm gonna one more shot with the heat tool. I'm gonna heat this really up good and try and get any of those bubbles off of there. Yep, very nice. And then I'm going to get the, where did it go? Where did it go? Here it is. I'm gonna get the resin guy, and it is charging. It does come with a charger, and I'm gonna do that for, I don't know, 90 seconds. It looks so cool. It looks very cool. So that is curing that. And I don't know exactly how long it takes to cure, but you want to make sure that none of these are open because you don't want to cure your resin. So this is really cool. If you're using the silicone ones, you could actually use like an acrylic marker and write like your little puppy's name on here, and then or put a sticker of your puppy's name on there, and then put in the resin, and it'll pick that up from the bottom. It's really cool. So it looks like there are maybe some bubbles in there, but it just looks so cool, and hopefully the other side will look nice as well. I did not go all the way to the bottom, but the that bezel and that tape does hold that securely in place. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this cure, and we'll be right back. Okay, this has finished curing, and so I'm gonna remove this, and what we're gonna do is I'm gonna flip it over and put that on the other side and let it cure on that side as well. That looks pretty cool. So we're gonna do that side, and I'll be right back. All right, this has finished curing, and so we are gonna check it out and see how it comes out. So we just take our tape, and this is gonna be hot. Just keep in mind that that is gonna be hot. And we're just gonna remove by peeling off the back. And it is still hot. So, and once we peel it off, we have our pretty little flames heart there. And then here's the back, and the back actually looks pretty cool too. I love it. Oh my gosh, this is so much fun. I'm going to be making all kinds of fun stuff. If you wanted to get this, I will put the link for you so you can grab this on your own. And then all you have to do is get out your keychain and your little jump ring and attach that. So I hope you like this. If you do, let me know. Make sure you give me a big, huge like, and I appreciate you so much. I hope you have a great day. Bye.